Hi students, today we are going to discuss about SCF and LCM, highest common factor and least common multiply. 6th class, 3rd chapter. Now they discuss perfect number. What is perfect number? A number for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. For example, 6, factor of 6 equal 1 6 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Sum of the factors 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Equal 12. Equal 2 into 6. 2 6 ja 12. 2 into the number. Twice the number is called a perfect number. Another example, 28. The factor of 28 equal 1 28 ja 28, 2 14 ja 28, 4 7 ja 28. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Sum of the factors equal 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28 equal 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 14 28, 28 plus 28 56 equal to 28 ja 56 equal 2 into the number. Twice the number is called a perfect number. Next, prime numbers. What is prime numbers? The numbers whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called a prime numbers. For example, 2. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Another example, 3. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Another example, 5. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factor of 2 equal 1 2 ja 2. Factor of 3 equal 1 3 ja 3. Factor of 5 is 1 5 ja 5. Factors 1 and the number itself are called a prime numbers. The smallest prime number is 2. Prime numbers below 50 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. These numbers are factors 1 and the number itself is called a prime numbers. Next, composite numbers. What is composite numbers? The numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, 4, the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Factor of 4. 1 4 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. Next example, 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Factor of 6. 1 6 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. Next example, 8. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Factor of 8. 1 8 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8. Next example, 9. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. Factor of 9. 1 9 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9. More than two factors is called a composite numbers. The smallest composite number is 4. The number 1 has only one factor. 1 is neither prime or composite. Next, co-prime or relatively prime numbers. What is co-prime or relative prime numbers? For example, 4 and 11. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Factor of 4, 1 4 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11. The factor of 11 equal 1 11 ja 11. The common factors are both 4 and 11 is 1 only. Another example, 7 and 15. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. The factors of 7, 1 7 ja 7. The factors of 15 are 1 and 3, 5, 15. The factors of 15, 1 15 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15. The common factors for both 7 and 15 is 1 only. The numbers which have only 1 has the common factors are called co-prime or relatively prime number. Next, twin primes. Two prime numbers are said to be twin prime if they difference each other by 2. For example, 3 and 5. Two prime numbers, difference between 2. 5 minus 3 equal 2. Another two prime numbers, 5 and 7. Difference between 2. 7 minus 5 equal 2. Another two prime numbers, 11, 13. Difference between 2. Another two prime numbers, 17 and 19. Difference between 2. 19 minus 17 equal 2. Are all